Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Hake back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing the speed test of the Samsung QVO 860. So it is my new drive. If you not watched my last video, go check it out over installing it. Oops. So this is the drive itself, hardware. So this is a Samsung SSD 860 QVO 1 terabytes. At the moment it's only holding Warzone, which is Call of Duty game. Alright, so what we're going to use to benchmark this is Crystal Mark 7. We're going to run it in admin mode, and you're on the charge in. Okay, and it is, which drive was it? E, I think, yeah. So it's on E drive, so we're going to test the E drive. If you've not checked out my other videos of me benchmarking the other ones, go check them out. Okay, so we're going to run the speed test. Let's see how fast it is. Okay, started now. The M.2 drives, they're about 3300 read. Let's see how fast this is. I reckon it'll be about 500 still decent. So as you can see, M.2 is a massive step up from this. So if your laptop or whatever supports it, go for M.2 upgrade. It's definitely worth it. It's just a lot faster. This is quite fast anyway. Sorry. Very tired. 7 AM, I'm not going to sleep yet. I'm here making videos all night. Okay. So the read speeds are pretty good. It's not as good as M.2 speeds, but that's just normal. So M.2 you hit in 3500 read, which is mad. Oh, doing decent in the read speeds. The write will be a lot slower. Either way, this laptop is very fast. Everything's sorted on this laptop now. Okay. So this hard drive here is around this area, and the M.2 is around that area. Got two of them there. Yeah, I'm liking this laptop so far. And it has got a bad thermal design though, because all the fans are in one area. Should have been one fan there, one fan there. It would have dissipated the heat better. But all the heat goes from this area through a heat pipe all the way to one fan. Two fans, but yeah, they're all in one corner. So everything's very hot. All this area here is very hot. So when it was hitting overheating limits of 95 degrees and stuff, when I'm playing the game, this was unbearable. So very hot to touch. Sorry. Alright, we're going to do the write speeds now. I reckon it'll be about 300, maybe 200. Oh, 500. Wow. I'm quite surprised, because the write speeds are not usually as high as the read speeds. That's near to same pretty much. 30 MB less, or less than 30 MB, 20 MB less. Fucking hell. This is a good drive. Samsung's very good for this. Can you hear the electric noise, guys? That's the SSD, which is quite annoying. Never heard that noise before. But over fan noise, the fans aren't running at all, because the temperatures are too low, I think. Yeah, 47. It doesn't kick in, which is very, because I've done a thermal paste and stuff. Change the thermal paste, I've done on the vault. So yeah, it runs very cool now, even with the bad thermal design. Okay, so the write speeds are higher there, which is normal. that will be high as well. But yeah, as you can see, these are the speeds of the QVO. The Evo is a lot faster. Well, it's not that much faster, but it is worth the money. It's just a bit extra. So go for the Evo if you have the money. But for me, it doesn't matter. It's just extra. I just got it for extra space. Because this speed is fine for me. It'll be fast enough to load Call of Duty on it. As you can see. Okay. Random write 4, 5 is nearly done. And then you can see the results fully. Okay, this is the last bit. And we're done. Alright, so these are the speeds, guys. Tell me what you think. If you've not checked out my M.2 speed tests, go check them out. I've probably posted them before this video, hopefully, as long as I've done it alright. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see anything on a laptop, let me know. I don't plan on overvolting this because overclocking, I mean, which is overvolting anyway, because it just doesn't need it. It's already high performance. I've put it back up to 4 GHz again. I don't plan to go any higher than 4 GHz. I could do, but I don't like the heat. So comfortably we're getting about 72 degrees max while gaming with the 4 GHz clock. So that's really good for me. It's a good balance between heat and power. Performance, I mean, yeah. So that's really good for my gaming laptop, which has a bad thermal design. Imagine if I had a good thermal design, how good it would be. That's the only limiting factor of the CPU, the actual this design. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.